Hi guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how to purchase a domain with AppyPie. Log into your AppyPie account, scroll down and go to My Domains. You can also go to My Domains section from here. On My Domains dashboard, click on Add Domain. The drop-down menu will open, click on Buy a New Domain. In the search field, enter the domain name that you wish to purchase and click on Search. A list of available domain names matching your search will appear. Select the one you need and click on Get it to purchase the domain. You will be redirected to the payment window. Here you need to provide your payment details. If you want, you can use credit or debit card or PayPal payment to complete the purchase. Provide all the relevant information in the billing address section. In the items section, you can see the product details. By default, the domain registration will be available for 1 year. However, if you want, you can register it for a period of 2 to 3 years by selecting the appropriate option here. If you want to secure your domain, click on Add to purchase domain privacy. From here, you can delete domain privacy. Here's the total amount that you need to pay for purchasing the domain. If you have a promo code, click here. Now enter the code in this field and click on Apply Now. Finally, click on Purchase to complete the process. A thank you page confirmation your purchase will appear. If you want, you can build a new website or app or connect an existing website to the domain from here. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.